YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's Penguin. This is their above ground suction side pool cleaner. We are going to tear this thing apart and show you guys how to repair it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's. This is their Penguin above ground pool cleaner. So it is a suction side pool cleaner for your above ground pool. Again, quick fix videos only. If you guys want to know how I already got down to this point, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got a playlist for you guys that'll actually walk you through from start to finish. For today's video, I want to show you guys how to actually remove this internal bottom housing, which will get you guys full access in here to your gearbox as well as access to the turbine itself. So you will need to watch those playlists, figure out how to remove this actual rotating ring that goes along the bottom of the cleaner. Once you guys actually have that off, it'll give you guys full access in here. First thing, there's no more screws to remove the actual bottom housing. The one thing that you guys would really want to pay attention to is as you guys are lifting this off, your gearbox is actually set and attached to the bottom of the bottom housing. So you guys will see here I have just a floating gearbox in here. So this gearbox actually goes into the frame itself. So when you pull it out, you're going to lose this. Underneath this little black cap, there happens to be this little white washer. So just to make sure that you guys don't lose all that stuff, make sure you guys are just careful when you guys are lifting it off. So go ahead and set that off. That'll give you access to this gearbox. Again, we'll have all these parts available for you guys down in the description so that you guys can actually head to the website, see the full part breakdown, and actually be able to locate what you need. And then from there, you guys will see that you actually get full access to the turbine. It's not sitting in there with any screws. It just has its two bearings located on each side that rest into this frame. So pretty simple. Once you guys actually get that main ring off, you're going to get access to this lower housing, which then will give you guys access to that turbine. So don't freak out when you guys see these turbines, because it's a little odd knowing that they are a little off shape. So they're not exactly straight across. It has like a little design change to it. So you actually see these. It actually almost looks like little feet as this thing spins. So don't freak out when you see that. It's not warping done to the turbine. It's just the way the turbine is. So again, check out the links in the description if you guys want to come and see the products directly on the website. We've got other images there for you guys to be able to take a look at. But really quick fix. Just want to show you guys how to open that up, get access to that turbine, see those bearings. Again, these bearings are going to be directional. You guys want to make sure that as you take them off, you're putting them on correctly. The bearings have a nice little niche, little knockout on it that the turbine actually slides into. So you guys want to make sure that you guys are putting it back together correctly as well. So take your time, spin it around on here, and it'll actually grab it as I do that. And then you're always going to want to make sure that you have the ball bearings facing out. So again, really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're going to have some more videos on tearing this thing apart, show you guys how to actually get access to the body itself. So I really appreciate you guys watching. And until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.